All right. Now we have things right here, and I think that is done. Now, if you have any question, you can as well ask me via my channel, no problem. But now, what we want to make our major thing, which is the next, is not working on the web, but on mobile, Android is working. So why is that? It cannot work on both sides. One reason why it's not working on the both sides is because, look, we are running it in the web here. We are using web here. We are following this link now to run. So this is a website, but actually we also having Expo, which is designed for Android. So that means all along they are working well, but now it is not working. It has started misbehaving. So that means all things or all styles inbuilt which are built in Expo, they are not accurately comfortable to the web. So what can we do? This is the answer.